This month is getting complicated, and it's only the second day of March. Red Rope Astrology. Saturn is getting ready to leave Aquarius. He does this next week with the full moon. It's a very, very intense full moon because literally at the peak of the full moon, Saturn changes signs. And today, Mercury conjunct Saturn at the final mastery degree of Aquarius. So this has two impacts that I want to talk about. One is the day's energy, but this I want to say, it's a huge moment for a social planet to change signs. It's one of the things that makes March intense is Saturn changes signs, and so does Pluto in a few weeks. But when Saturn is at the final degree of a sign, there's a contemplation of the last 3 years. It's like at that mastery degree, Saturn is saying, have I covered everything in Aquarius? And today, Mercury conjuncting Saturn as he's in that anaretic position of considering the mastery of the Aquarius archetype is absolutely a good opportunity to take stock of the last 2-3 years of lessons, because the way we learn is about to change style in a week. So there's the consideration of the past, which is just a good idea to do. And in terms of the day's energy, it keeps us slow, steady, on pace with our communication and our thought process. You know, yesterday Venus and Jupiter conjuncted, so there's a buoyant sense of love in the atmosphere. Tomorrow Venus conjuncts Chiron, so there's like hurt feelings and wound healing going on. So the slow, steady perception of Mercury and Saturn today could help you make some sense of feelings on fire. Venus in Aries has feelings on fire, and Mercury in Aquarius is very emotionally detached and objective. Now, the moon is in Cancer today, so there's a kind of emotional sort of tenderness and inhibition. So the feels are up a little bit. There's a trine to Neptune, though, which means that our spiritual center will carry us anywhere we need to go. A sextile to Uranus means there's a wild card or two in the day. This is not a month to miss my Global Healing Meditation, kids, and it's tonight at 7 p.m. Pacific time in my Zoom space. By now, you should know where to find the information that will get you to the Zoom space tonight at 7. It's everywhere, especially in the biographical information above. Have at it. I'll see some of you tonight.